Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix broken links in Wix. So, if your Wix website has broken links, visitors may run into 404 errors which can hurt your SEO and reputation. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to quickly find and fix broken links in Wix. So, you can use a tool like Broken Link Checker, Screaming Frog or Ahrefs to scan your website. In Wix, you can go to Site, go to SEO Tools, choose Site Inspection to find any reported broken links. You can look for links that point to deleted pages, incorrect URLs, or outdated external websites. From the Wix editor, click on Menu and Pages, check for any links leading to pages that have been renamed or deleted. You can update them by selecting the link and clicking Change and selecting the correct internal page. Now, if the page no longer exists, either delete the link or redirect it. Locate text buttons or images with external links. Click on the element, click on link icon and update the broken URL with the correct one. Always test external links to make sure they go live on active websites. You can navigate to site settings, navigate to SEO, navigate to URL redirects manager on this page and navigate to URL redirects manager, that is this button, and add a redirect from your broken or outdated URL to a valid new page. So you'll have to choose the old URL or click on delete, or you can instantly edit any URL and choose the old URL, then paste the URL, and this helps preserve SEO rankings and improves user navigation. Now, after making changes, click publish and run your link checker tool again to confirm all broken links have been fixed. Repeat this check regularly to avoid future issues. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.